Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys basically how I dermaplan my face. Sound very professional, and actually some people are maybe wondering that what is that. A lot of question is actually I know rumbling around your mind, so let me actually break the word for you. So dermaplaning is basically a professional word. It sounds very professional but it is not. So basically I'm going to be showing you guys how I basically shave my face. I actually uploaded a video a while back ago, I guess 2-3 months ago, I think 1 month ago, and in that video I have shown you guys how I basically thread my face, and I have shown you guys how to actually how you can basically thread your face staying at home. A lot of people actually commented that it is very painful, and to be very honest, if you want to do the threading at home, you have to have a hand over this. Yeah, you have to actually practice a lot at home, and you have to actually like set your mind that yes, it will be painful, but in the process, in the actually dermaplaning process, there will be no pain, and you can actually get rid of your facial hair in just like 5 to 10 minutes. Like that is the easiest way I can like say you guys what is dermaplaning. And before heading towards the video, before showing you guys how I shave my face, let me tell you that what I'm going to be using for my video. So basically I'm going to be using that thing for my face, which is nothing but an eyebrow razor. Let me show you a closer view first. That's how it actually looks like. It have like 2 razors, as you can see. You can use one after another. If you have a very small hair going on your face, like you are too much possessive about your facial hair, then I really don't want to recommend this for you. If you have like a very ingrown hair growth on your face, then you better can skip that. But if you have like much good amount of hair growth on your face, then you can do that better, because in the T-zone part, in that part, the hair growth is not that much high, as per I know, as per my experience. So don't try to do this in your that part, over that part. Try to do it where the hair growth is like a lot. For example, your eyebrow and like this part. I have the most hair growth on my that part and on my eyebrow, and as well on my forehead. So I try to do that over there. And as well, it have a lot of benefits. I totally forget to say that is when you shave your face, all the dead skin cells is gonna come off. The upper layer of your skin is gonna actually come off. So that is why you will look more glowy, because you're gonna get rid of a lot of dead skin cells. So yeah, that's all. So that's how basically you can get a flawless base. Now I think without rumbling, I should directly jump onto the video and show you how I basically shave. Guys, I just zoom my camera into the depth just to show you guys everything. So I'll take my blade, or you can say razor, and I have to be very light-handed with the product, because otherwise you don't want to really cut your skin. You have to be very careful, because first time I can remember that I cut my eyebrow and cut my skin as well. So you have to be very light-handed and very careful. So as you can see, I have a lot of hair growth in that part, and as well on my eyebrows and as well uppers. So all I gotta do is, I'll show you, I have to actually pull my skin like that, and I have to hold the brush like that, very light-handed, and I have to go like that. I hope you guys can see that it is actually you have to be very light-handed. Once you do it, your skin is gonna feel very fresh and, you know, proper. I'm gonna pull my skin like that, and I will shave my face. You can see. I hope you guys can see it. As you can see, it is all. Hey guys, I just shaved my face, and that's how my face actually looks like. I think that I'm looking more fresh, and I can actually see the glow on my face, and my skin feels so soft. I'm all pampered, guys, trust me. And I am really loving the way my skin is looking like. It's actually giving me a healthy glow. I just have to apply a little bit of primer, and tada, I am ready to apply any kind of makeup. But one thing that I just wanted to say you, once you shave your face, make sure that you apply a moisturizer, because when you shave your face, your skin get too dry, and if you are from a dry skin family, then you just have to apply moisturizing cream. You can apply any kind of soothing mask or something like that, totally up to you. So yeah guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys are helped by my video. And if you are helped by my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and as well like button. I'll be back in my next video with another one maybe. So then please take care of yourself, stay funky, stay healthy. I love you all so much. And also don't forget to let me know if you guys want me to do any other tutorial. So yeah, I'll be back in my next video. Then please take care of yourself, stay funky, stay healthy. I love you all so much. Bye bye.